guys, this is where we are gonna go down if we're going to hike here. If we're gonna start here from Shing Mun Country Park all the way to Shan. So today with me, we're a bit packed today. Well, not really packed, we're just 6 of us at this arena. Jackie, Nell, and Dave. Dave is here. Yeah, and Kuya Bobot. So yes, so we're gonna start from here if you wanna hike all the way to Shan.
Punta na picnic sites, 90 months.
Tagal-tagal din yan. Dati may mga unggoy dito ah.
Maraming unggoy dito ba yun?
Oo. Dito.
Dumating na.
Dumating na. Maraming unggoy dito. Okay. Pwede. So from this crossing, we're gonna turn right. Because we're always right.
Turn right.
Turn right.
Always right. Mr. Right.
Mr. Right. Mr. Right to. Si ano, Dave. So this is what we're gonna see here. Such a nice view. So it looks the same in Taitam. Because this is the Shing Mun Country Park and this is a dam.
Ayaw ko sumama sa inyo, puro kay picture. Wala yung momentum ko.
Oo, hindi ko na.
No. Sabay tulak.
Tulak mo nga.
Isang game lang.
Hindi, mga
Pag maganda yung serve ko,
ganda rin.
hindi na makuha yung game. Kasi galing ng partner ko, yung volley. Nasa harap na, cross court volley yan.
Kung ka-partner,
Minsan nagwi-winner kasi tapyok.
hindi na ako, medyo okay na ako mag-double.
So we're going to the main dam as of the moment, and if this is like a game, this will be our like side mission. So this is what you get if you come over here. For sure, if the water is high, you don't want to pass this side. You cannot pass here. So we were expecting to have a 14 to 15 kilometer hike, but this should 17 kilometers once we get to the last stop, and we're gonna expect that this hike will be around 7 hours. And you can camp here. Somebody's camping on that side. You're here.
Oh, monkey.
Picture natin.
So dito tayo. So this is to Shan. It is 5 kilometers away.
Monkey ba?
And
Kumukha ni Kuya Ken.
gago. So we're gonna rest here a little bit, refill our water bottles, eat a little bit, and be ready for the climb.
Hi. Hi. Kuya Ken. Ano patay ka? Try mo. Ay, may pagkain kasi.
Okay, so we're gonna start now. to Thai motion. So I lost my camera and we found out it was in Kuya Bubut's bag. Okay, Macleho's Trail stage it. Let's go. Once you're here, don't follow stairs all the way up because that's gonna lead you to another route. So if you want to follow the route that we're passing, is you need to go all the way to this side and so we're gonna pass here, pass to the right. Gigan pa dito.
Oh, karon kaya.
We're almost at the top, but we have to go down a bit more because our goal is to go all the way to that side. There. And we're here.
Let's go.
Yan na, ito na pinakatas. Oo. Bisaya kayo, Tiyoy.
Uy, nag-aasa mo.
Taga-Kwan. Cebu.
There's a way, no?
May madaling daanan, pero dito talaga sa mahirap ng daan. Uy! Ano ka ba siya?
Hey!
Sige na, sige na.
Eh!
It passed in front of you.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Ikaw, kinagat yan.
Ay, kumakagat yan?
Oo!
Talaga?
Napula ko niya sa Bremer Hill.
Siya kagatin ko.
Uy, masarap yung pork noodle. Yan, gabi-gabi.
And we're here. So once you're here at the last at the road,
Grabe, no?
then all you have to do is just to go down and go to the right,
Flat
and
down.
the bus stop should be there.
From 904 to 5.
Oh, daming tao kasi oh.
So good.